friends, some of you saw the flip through of this Flamingo journal on my live, but I'm doing another flip through just in case you didn't see the live, because I know some people love a live and then some people avoid them, and that's okay. But I figured what I would go ahead and do is just do a flip through of this journal that I made. I started it on one of my lives and then I worked on it in between, and then the next Friday I did some finishing details and then flipped through it, or maybe I flipped through it while I was finishing the details. At any rate, here we go. This is a Flamingo journal. I created a Flamingo digital kit and I printed that digital kit on the back side of scrapbook paper. So the digital kit is called Flamingo Love, and it is available in my Etsy shop if you would like it. You can see some trim going down here. When I did the cover, I used a cereal box. I covered it with a white sheet first, and then I put this on the outside, and then I put the white sheet here, and then on top of that I put this lace, and then of course added this wonderful embellishment. Now that was sent to me by my friend Veronica at Christie's Crazy Crafty Life, and she had been wanting me to do a Flamingo journal for a while, so I finally got to do it. So this is a paper clip, an altered paper clip, and so we've got a tag stuffed under there, and there's one of the images from the digital kit. Here we have a belly band, and this gingham is part of the digital kit as well. And here's one of the tags. Put a little lace down here, a little lace on the edge. And right here is another paper clip, but we've got an image of the beach. That's part of the digital. This is actually a little cut apart, not a cut apart, what do we even call that? Like an embellishment that was given to me, and I attached it right to the edge because I thought it really went well together. A little side pocket here with some goodies that I stuffed inside. This is some of my pink coffee dyed paper. You can see some lace on the edge here, and then one of these little safety pin dangles that was made for me by my friend Crystal of Vividly on Paper. This is my pink sparkly coffee dyed paper here. Piece of a magazine, or a page I should say, of a magazine. Another belly band. This was given to me actually, and so I had a page. No, you know what? I might have bought this on sale. There's a whole page of these, like you cut them out, and I think it's like one of those things I found for like, I don't know, marked down to like probably 25 cents or something. A little lace on the edge here. This is also part of the digital, as is this, and I cut it out and glued it on there, and a little cute little tag. This is a book page, which I turned into a pocket and stuffed it with a tag. This is a magazine page, and I lined it with some rickrack. Made a pocket here. Added this nice tag to it. Now this page here is also a book page. And that was given to me by Meg of Chasing Retro. You can see it's vintage. Created a little tag here, mostly using scraps. And this is a little paper clip. A little tiny pocket here for this nice big tag. This was made of scraps along with a doily and then these cute little stickers. And then here's a big pocket here. That's a piece of my pink coffee dyed paper. And this is a altered paper clip. Little coloring page. Fabulous fashionista here. Little added trim. Paper trim though. A couple of tags here. A side pocket with some lace. This was a little scrap piece, so I added it to this page. You can see this is the center signature, and I added some beads, and these are images from the digital kit. Actually, this probably goes over here. Some trim. This was a piece given to me by Veronica of Christy's Crazy Crafty Life, and it was one of the pieces she sent for my 2K giveaway challenge, and it is a fabric flip. This is cute, out of a magazine. I thought it was perfect. Added a little lace to the edge, another coloring page. Some pink paper given to me by Meg of Chasing Retro. Actually, and this right here, this was given to me by Meg as well. I had forgotten about that. We did a 1980s swap, and which was hosted by Kara, Paper Confessions with Kara Mia, and so she sent me some 80s stuff, and that was a lot of fun. Little pocket here with a tag in it, a little bit of lace on here. Little torn pocket. This postcard is part of the digital kit. This was a book page. Another fabric flip by Veronica of Christy's Crazy Crafty Life, and added one of these little dangles that my friend Crystal of Vividly on Paper sent to me. Another book page pocket. This journal is available in my Etsy shop if you're interested. Be a flamingo and a flock of pigeons. Some lace on the edge of that page, a little washi tape, magazine page, coffee dyed paper, another image from the kit with some lace on it, and then this fun earring that Veronica of Christy's Crazy Crafty Life sent to me, and it's so perfect and I love it. Little side pocket here and some tags. Nice big tag there. Pretty kit image. Little charm held on with a ball pin and some lace. Pretty image from the kit, and that is too, as well as this. Some bright pink trim. Born to stand out. That is the first signature. We're moving into the second one. We have a cute little charm here. This is one of the pages of the kit, and I added some lace to it. And we've got some coloring page. This is some beautiful vellum paper. Magazine page. I love the Ferris wheel. The bright colors of it. I just think it's so fun. This is another bright page that I love. I added some rickrack and some paper edge there. Nice page with a pocket and some tags. Some bright pink trim. This tiny pocket with a little tiny thing to journal in. This flips open so you can write on both pages. Same over here, except you can write on this and then you can open it up and write on that. Some journaling space here. A little bit of trim. Book page from my friend Nat Williams that I added some trim here to the edge. This is my eco dyed paper. This little piece right here for some little tiny note if you wanted to. This is another book page, and I folded it up because it was a really big book, so it made a pocket just from folding it up. That's a horrible idea. What time? I love that. We have a cute pocket here with a nice big tag. Some nice bright trim and a very bright flamingo charm. Another center signature just with some simple beads. Some pom-pom trim here, which I love. And some vintage lace here. Nice big tag. Oh, and a smaller one here too. Isn't that cute? Nice pocket here from the book page. Just with some little tags inside. Well, they're big tags actually. Eco dye. A little bit of lace, the other side of the book page from my friend Nat Williams. This was a button that I attached with a bulb pin. Added some trim to the page. Look at the little babies, aren't they so cute? Then we had this little page, and I added some rickrack here and some other trims up there. Some pretty trim here. Some doilies and then this paper trim. Got some lace up here and lace here. More pink paper from my friend Meg. Magazine page, love the decor. Beef amazing. The other part of the Ferris wheel there. Coffee dye paper and vellum. Another coloring page. It's a nice little tropical vacation going on there. And some beautiful hibiscus flowers. Some buttons on a bulb pin and some flowers here. This was a napkin and I just added it. It says stand tall and stand out. Added a little bit of a die cut there and a pink flamingo, and I added my stamp and it says handmade by Creating with Jovi. So that's the journal, my friends. If you hadn't seen it, now you have. And if you have seen it for the second time, thank you for taking another look at it. It's available in my Etsy shop, and I thank you for watching. See you soon.